everyone, I'm April. For today, I will give a brief introduction about order to person. In traditional warehouse, the pickers usually push the trolley with multiple totes representing one order. And the typical bench of order is around 20 orders. And the pick time just a few seconds, but 70% of times they need to walk through, which is highly inefficiency. And now the order to person is very simple. It means like people stay one place and the robot come to them. And here is the Streamlined order to person's picking setup. It's presenting real e-commerce warehouse, and each rank represents one picking zone. And in the real warehouse, there's gonna be the thousand of a square meter divided into 6 or 8 or even more zone. And here is the standby point. The operators can assign the ranks to the robots. And here is the drop-off point. When the robots finish everything, they can come to this place to confirm them, and then they will go back to the stand-up point to wait next job. And they have two key roles in the operator to person process. The first one is the operator, who assigns the ranks to the robot. And the second one is the pickers, who places the items into the task carried by the robot. Now let me show you how the robot works. You can see the robot can lift the rank. You can see the robot can lift the rank about 6 centimeters. And then the operator can carry the PDA to scan the rank code and the robot code to comply blending. Successful. Now the robot can move to the picking zone automatically. Now I change to the picker. When the robot comes to my picking zone, I can use the PDA to scan the code. And the systems clearly show what items, how many, and what baskets put them in. Now the first item is A311. So I find the 311, scanned, put 5 items, pick 5 items into the basket 3. The second item is A312. So I can find the 312. Scan the code. So I can find the A312. Pick 7 items. Put them into basket 2. Pick complete. When the robot finishes the task, they will move to the drop-off point automatically. When any obstacles on the way, the robot can avoid them automatically without manual intervention. And now the robots will move to the drop-off point. When the robots move to the drop-off point, the operators move to the rank tab. So the operators can move to the rank tab. And then the robots can move to the stand-up point automatically and wait for the next job. And here is the order to person. It's very easy, more efficiency. Thank you for listening.